Are you ready for the return of the Nike Air Tech Challenge 2 in the Hot Lava colorway? Last released in 2016, the Nike Air Tech Challenge 2 made a splash with all the different modern and retro colorways and styles. This satisfied all the Nike enthusiasts who cherished the design of 1980 all the way to 1990s. We now have official images of the 2024 pair of the Nike Air Tech Challenge 2s, and to be honest, I like these. I liked them back in 2016 as well. I just didn't have any interest in copying them, but now my style is a little bit different, and I think this is a sneaker that I need to add to my arsenal. The 2024 pair of the Nike Air Tech Challenge 2s in the Hot Lava colorway features pre-aged aesthetics all over the sneaker, especially on the midsole. This pair also features softer leathers, and it finally comes with a Nike Air hang tag, paying homage to its 1990s root. This shoe looks really, really good, as I was saying earlier. I want these, but I don't think I'll be paying retail for them. So my goal is to get them for below retail. Hopefully they release, they don't sell out, so I can get them for a nice little discount. And based on the way sneakers are going right now on the market, I think they will, but this is an old shoe, so they might not, but we'll just have to wait and see as always. If they go on sale, I'll get them. If they don't, I won't. But the question is, will you be copping?